Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and unscrew 9 captive screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover. Slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. And unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove one 3mm screw from the SSD bracket. Remove the bracket and unplug the SSD from the motherboard. Plug the SSD back into the motherboard. Replace the bracket. And replace the one 3mm screw. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the palmrest and push down to snap it back into place. Flip the unit back over and tighten the 9 captive screws in the bottom cover.